If you're familiar with my channel, you know that I'm a huge fan of the MagBak brand. They have the best in class when it comes to MagSafe accessories, from phone cases to wallets to chargers, particularly if you're looking to accessorize your Tesla. But they have a ton of different accessories in the smartphone arena, and they have sent me another package today to review their latest and greatest on the channel. Alright, so we have another package from MagBak. If you're familiar with my channel, you know I'm a huge fan of the MagSafe brand. They have a ton of different products for cars, specifically for Teslas, as well as cases and wallets that utilize that MagSafe tech. And that's what we're looking at today. They've sent me one of their new Elite cases to review on my iPhone, as well as some accessories to go along with it. So let's hop right into packaging and see what it's all about. With these products, they were nice enough to provide a discount code, especially for my viewers. So if you're interested in anything we go over on the channel today, or anything on MagBak's site, use code MightyMax15 at checkout to get 15% off your entire order. Alright, so the first thing we have here is this Elite case. Comes in a very nice textured box. So let's open this up. It's a really nice presentation in the way they package this case in this hard plastic. They clearly take this product seriously, and as you can see, they sent me the black Elite case. This is for my iPhone 15 Pro Max, but they do have this case for all modern models. You can see this case does come with a finger loop, which is really cool and a nice feature to have, so excited to test that out. In addition to the case, in this container, we have some screen protector accessories, an alcohol pad to clean your phone off, a little MagSafe compatible magnetic bar that you can place wherever you want to hold your phone up. And then the case itself actually is an install mechanism to install the screen protector it comes with on your iPhone. So I'll definitely be using that. Moving on to the other things in this package, we have the MagSafe wallet that I'm incredibly excited for. The one that they sent me is in black, but they do have other colors and variations of this wallet to take a look at. So let's open the box. It's a very nice heavy duty wallet. Again, it comes with a finger loop, so it's easy to hold your phone even with this on, but this really feels great in the end and feels like nice high quality leather. You can get these custom engraved, which is great for the holidays, especially with Father's Day coming up if you have a tech savvy dad that might be interested in something like this for their phone. And lastly, we have these accessories that you can use on the Elite case to change up the color. They sent me red, but they do have a bunch of other colors to add a little bit of personality to your case if you're interested in having something than just a basic all color case. So this is the case I'm rocking on my phone right now. Just to compare, this is a cheap Amazon fake leather wallet, and this is the MagSafe. I can tell you this weighs a ton more in the hand while having an even slimmer profile and somehow still feeling more solid. So the quality difference between your cheap knockoff on Amazon and this is incredibly evident if you hold both in your hands. So to start with, I'm going to take my case off of my phone and install the screen protector and install the MagSafe screen protector. Alright, so let's move this all out of the way and get started with the screen protector install. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to place this in the top bracket and it'll hold your phone in place for the install. Next, we're going to take our alcohol pad to clean the front of the phone screen, removing any smudges or debris. Once satisfied, take your microfiber and dry it off. And then lastly, use this blue sticker to remove any other dust and debris that might have gotten onto your phone screen. From here, you lift up the top of the case, pulling this tab through so it sticks out from the outside. You close this plastic install case around your phone, and then while it's securely in place, you slowly pull back this tab. And then just like that, I open it. We have a fully installed case. Looks like we have one bubble in there, but perfectly lined up, and I'm just gonna go ahead and work that bubble out with my fingers. And yeah, as easy as could be, a fully installed case, no issue, no bubbles, completely perfectly aligned. And that is awesome that the Elite case comes with this so that you can have the perfect screen protector setup on your phone with that heavy duty case. So let's move on to the Elite case itself. Here you can see a little indent where you can pop this piece in. This is the black accessory that came with the case, but if you wanted to change it up and use something different, you can take this accessory kit right here. And switch out various different trims. You can switch out the button colors to really customize this to your own fit. You can even switch out these rubber ribs right here to have this different contrasting color. For the sake of this video, I'm just gonna do the red for the camera outline. And instead of putting the black in, I'm just gonna take this red one, lining it up appropriately on the inside, and pushing it into place until it snaps in. And you can see that gives this a nice red accent here. I'll be excited to mess around with some of these other colors here to see what that looks like and give just a little bit of unique character to the case based on your personal preferences and style. So then as for putting the case on the phone, take it like this, press it in. And once you hear a snap and you can feel it firmly into place, you can see that it is all set up. And I have to say, this is a great feeling case. It is coated in this rubberized silicone on top of the plastics, giving it a smooth and durable feel to it. It's got this little loop out here where you can stick your finger in there and hold your phone like this and twirl it around, making it great for travel or using it on the go. It has a protector down here. And if you have an iPhone, you know how dirty that jack gets, so it's awesome that they have this little tab that you can press in to keep dirt and debris out of that headphone or charging jack on your phone. All the buttons have a great tactile feel and feel very solid. I don't think I'll have any issue using this or accessing these. I do really like the ability to accent it using the accessory kit, so I'm probably gonna install some of these colors as well to take a look at. But yeah, this is an awesome and a very solid case, and again, so much nicer than the one that I had on my phone previously. I do think it also has a very sleek and professional look that a lot of people would be a fan of. So last but not least, let's try out this leather wallet. So let's see how quickly this adheres to the MagSafe magnets. Oh, just like that, it is attached and we are good to go. Again, we have a loop here, and just to show you how solid these magnets are, I can dangle my phone like this with this wallet and it is not falling off. I am really shaking it around right now. So that means if you're holding your phone like this and it happens to drop, you don't have to worry about the wallet disconnecting and your phone falling to the ground, which is really great. It feels great, it doesn't add too much bulk, and comes off very easily. You can see with the phone design, you have these bars set up, unlike other MagSafe cases, so you get a lot of flexibility with how your phone attaches and the orientation that you want to use it in. So yeah, I think MagBak has hit it out of the park again with another great product. So if you're in the market for a new iPhone case that has MagSafe technology, especially with one that has a brand that's going to give you high quality accessories like this wallet to go with it, definitely check them out. MagBak also offers amazing MagSafe car chargers that look great and can complement your car's aesthetic, especially if you're someone who drives an electric vehicle like a Tesla. I've done videos on them before, but I will link them in the description down below if you're interested. But yeah, that's all I had to talk about today. If you did like this video and you want to see more, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe to see more. As always, thank you so much for watching. Until next time.